Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nonia. You are so welcome to this channel, and you see my face for the first time. All right, welcome guys. Yeah, I've said that before. So I want to use this medium to wish all of my subscribers a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. I know you've worked hard for the year and you've done well, and I hope that 2020 brings better things than 2019. So if you've put in a lot of effort in 2019, if you've done a lot of work, if you've made research, if you've done a lot of research on whatever it is you do for a living, and you think it hasn't worked out yet, I think 2020 is coming and it's going to be better. So the remaining weeks, or even days, yes, we have just 8 days to 2020. So the remaining days, just take it to reflect on how you worked in 2019 and try to work better and smarter in 2020. So to all the designers, I hope you made something for yourself this season, because with the workload and the client rush and everything, most times we always forget to make things for ourselves. So I hope you at least made something for yourself. Okay, I did not, but with those few days I'll try to make 1 or 2 dresses for myself, so try to make something for yourself. Subscribe to good channels on YouTube, build yourself, learn a lot, learn a little every day. Okay, so there are very good channels on YouTube, and I'll mention only but a few. I know about Bilkis signature, sorry. She's doing amazing. Like, she has always inspired me. I started this channel since 3 years ago, and I've not been able to put up anything up until this year, because I felt like I have online classes, I have a Facebook platform and all of that, but I realized that I can also make an impact here. So this is why I'm here on YouTube, trying to impart the little knowledge I have. Okay, having said that, sorry, my workshop is a mess, like the rush this period. Okay, so I need to sit down. I've been standing for a very long time, sorry. So what else I want to say to you people? I love you guys. Like, the love you guys have shown me for this short period of time I've been here on YouTube, it's mad. Like, I really appreciate. I have up to not up to 300 subscribers as at the time I'm doing this video, but I think I have up to 293, and that's a lot. Okay, that's a lot, and I want to appreciate all of you that have viewed these videos. Some of you that have viewed the videos without subscribing, I beg you, support me, encourage me to put out more videos, and 2020 coming would try to impact as much as I can. Okay, the ones I know, and I basically upload videos on most outfits I'm working on. Most times the rush and my apprentices learning and all of that, so sometimes I don't really capture all the things I'm doing. So but 2020, it's also a challenge for me to I want to challenge myself to be able to teach some young designers that are coming up and find it difficult to coach up maybe in their places of study. So I think I will also use this my platform to reach out to them, find out their weaknesses, and try to make videos on them. Okay, so I'm signing out. I love you guys. Like, I love you guys, and I wish us a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Don't be sad, don't be heartbroken. Whatever you didn't get in 2019, you will definitely get it in 2020. Are you scared that I have tailoring skills, I want to set up, but I'm scared of not meeting up, not getting clients? Just chill. Okay, take a chill pill. 2020, try to start with the little you have. Don't wait for a big shop, or just start somewhere and you see God lift you up. Okay, so my name is Nonia, whatever. Call me Noni, call me Nonia. I think my clients are coming in, so I have to see you guys next time. So in case I see me for the first time, this is me.